Cody's first time camping. Out on a jeeping trip, and he is standing. On a really bumpy road.
You're silly, Cody.
This is Cody in the Crystal River by Crystal Falls. Doing pretty good on the rocks. Need some safety. Yeah. There's Mikey Poo. Oh, what a good boy.
Freaks me out. Really not that bad. It isn't. Not bad at all. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh fuck.
Well, now it's not safe for YouTube.
Yeah, it is. Put music on. Bleep it. You can probably. You have video editor, don't you? Bleep it. That was the worst part, I hope.
How would you do this with Suburban?
They were crazy.
Don't slide off that rock.
They had drum brakes. Of course, if you're four-wheel right, you don't need brakes. That flat spot wasn't as bad as the pictures made it look. It made it look like you're going to go off camber and tilt it downhill.
And there's a ways to go.
Towards the path. I'd rather take my mirror off around the edge here.